Hello, this is Dataji, and I am preaching the spiritual knowledge of Sri Datta Swami. Tribulation comes in every human generation. Tribulation should be understood in its inner sense. The sun becomes black. The sun means the intelligence or the discrimination power. Black means the evil direction. The moon becomes red. Moon stands for mind. The red color indicates emotion and anger. The divine bodies escape their orbits. The divine bodies means the feelings of good people. Orbits means the paths of justice. Like this, one should understand the inner meaning. It is scholastic language. Jesus is a great scholar. The same tribulation is mentioned in Gita. Whenever the tribulation appears in any human generation and at any place, I shall come down in the human form to set it right. In Gita, Dharma Glani means tribulation. This tribulation may take place in physical sense at the end. The reincarnation of Jesus to judge and punish is nothing but the Kalki incarnation mentioned in Hinduism. It is a very powerful incarnation. But meanwhile, the Lord will come again and again to change the people through the divine knowledge. After many efforts, the final step is taken. When you say that Jesus will come again, it means he will come again and again to preach unchained. Such interpretation synchronizes with Gita also.
అడుగో అల్లడుగో శ్రీ గురుదత్తుడు మూడు ముఖముల ఆరు కరముల వెలుగుచున్నాడు వేద విదితుడు ధర్మదేవతయధేను రూపమున కుక్కలై వేదాలు కూడి నడువగా అడుగో అల్లడుగో శ్రీ గురుదత్తుడు పరమ పావనుడు విచ్చేయుచున్నాడు అడుగో అల్లడుగో శ్రీ గురుదత్తుడు.